Exploring Habitats, a science presentation on the different types of habitat and the organisms that live on them. A habitat is a place where plants and animals live. It is a place where they find everything they need to survive, such as food, water, and shelter. Types of habitats. There are various types of habitats on our planet. Each habitat has distinctive characteristics that provide a unique home for a diverse array of plants and animals. Ocean, forest, desert, grassland, wetland, mountain, polar region. Oceans. Oceans are vast bodies of salt water that cover most of the Earth's surface. They are home to an incredible diversity of marine life like kelp, seaweed, fish, sea turtles, crustaceans, dolphins, whales, sharks, and corals. Forests. Forests are vast areas filled with many trees. They can be found in different parts of the world and are home to a diverse range of organisms like oak, pine, squirrels, deer, bears, and birds. Forest floors are often covered with plants like ferns and mosses. Deserts. Deserts are dry and hot regions where there is very little rainfall. These habitats can be sandy or rocky and have extreme temperature variations. Desert plants, like cacti and succulents, have special adaptations to conserve water. Animals such as camels, snakes, scorpions, and lizards are well suited to survive in deserts. Grasslands. Grasslands are wide open spaces covered with grasses and few or no trees. They can be found in different parts of the world, including the prairies of North America and the savannas of Africa. Grasslands are home to animals like bison, zebras, giraffes, and grazing animals. Predators like lions and cheetahs also inhabit these areas. Wetlands. Wetlands are areas where the land is saturated with water for a significant part of the year. They include marshes, swamps, and bogs. Wetlands are crucial for maintaining water quality and providing habitats for many species. Cattails, water lilies, ducks, frogs, alligators, and various bird species depend on wetlands for food and shelter. Mountains. Mountains are habitats characterized by steep slopes, high altitude, and colder temperatures as you climb higher. They are home to unique plant and animal species adapted to survive in harsh conditions. Animals like mountain goats, snow leopards, and eagles can be found in mountainous regions. Polar regions. The polar regions include the Arctic at the North Pole and the Antarctic at the South Pole. These habitats are extremely cold, covered in ice and snow for much of the year. Polar bears, penguins, seals, and various seabirds are adapted to survive in these icy environments.
Why do we study habitats? Understanding biodiversity. Habitats are home to a vast array of organisms. By studying habitats, we can learn about the incredible diversity of life on Earth. This knowledge helps us appreciate the interconnectedness of different species and their roles in maintaining a healthy ecosystem. Scientific research. Habitats are natural laboratories that offer opportunities for scientific exploration and discovery. By studying habitats and their organisms, scientists can uncover new species, understand their behaviors, and make valuable contributions to fields such as ecology, biology, and conservation. Conservation. Studying habitats allows us to identify and understand the threats they face. Human activities, such as habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change, can harm habitats and the organisms that depend on them. By studying habitats, we can work towards conserving and protecting these fragile ecosystems.